Hello and welcome to week 8. We are fastly approaching midterms. They're not this week, but grades will be due the following week. So just be aware of that. So let's take a look at our week. We are going to do chapter 3. So make sure you either got a packet from me in class or you print one from our Google site under chapter 3. Chapter 3 is a pretty good chapter. Usually people don't have too many issues on 3.1. 3.2 can be a little trickier though, so just kind of be aware of that. AP exam registration is pretty much right around the corner. November 6th are when payments are due, so this week you'll work on getting yourself set up with that stuff. Tutoring this week is from 1 to 2, Tuesday and Thursday. If your email is a hot mess, I keep linking this tutorial, but there's a tutorial of how to organize the things. Specifically, you want to keep your score release emails so you can refer back to those for quizzes and tests and practice assignments. Now, big thing is seniors. You're taking the SAT on Tuesday, so I'll be seeing some of you. I'm proctoring that as well. So be prepared for that and best of luck. So make sure you fill out this form, weekly check-in. I do look at that and I look for just general feedback and to see if you've done things. Make sure you're watching the directions video and you've kind of glanced at the week at a glance. Ooh, excuse me. So this week we have a few things. Thursday we have 3.1 practice. Like I said, generally people don't have too many issues. 3.1, a lot of it is review from things you've done in previous classes. We are going to sign up under AP Classroom, so you can mark yes or no whether you're thinking of taking the exam, and make sure that stuff gets done. So that's just some administrative stuff. And then we do have a quiz on Friday over 3.1. So we should have plenty of time to get this stuff in this week. Next week, your quiz will be Friday again, but it'll be over 3.2, kind of the first half. And then the following Friday will be your Chapter 3 test. So let's take a look at what we're doing. We're going to work with scatter plots, which basically are graphs with dots on them. And looking at lines of best fit and things like that. So the first part of it, a lot of it is review, just making the graph and that sort of stuff. So we're going to get it started on Monday. Your test corrections will be due at like midnight. If you are panicking about the SAT, I can be flexible on when you get these test corrections in. So if you're like, nope, I'm cramming for the SAT tonight, that's totally fine. Juniors, you're not taking the SAT or whatever. You can obviously work on these. So I can be flexible in the test corrections. Just try to get them in within the time frame of this week so you don't forget things. Okay, so then SAT is Tuesday. So the only thing we're going to be doing, there's no official content, but you do need to sign into AP Classroom. So there'll be a tutorial posted here for that. And check yes or no if you want to take the AP Stats exam. Wednesday, we're going to be doing the second part of 3.1 together in class. And then practicing everything on Thursday, and then Friday a quiz. The quiz usually on this is pretty short. People finish it pretty quickly, so we should have a decent amount of time to field any questions before the quiz on Friday. So that's pretty much our week. Not a whole lot going on in terms of content, nothing too crazy. Usually, like I said, people do pretty good on 3.1. So don't freak out about it. Don't be nervous. And good luck on the SAT.